TechnoIllustrator. Editing colors. Learn. Steps. Step 1. Open Microsoft Paint. Click on Start and type Paint in the search bar. Then, click on Paint. You may also just go to Start, All Programs, Paint. Step 2. Open an existing image file on the PC. Click on File. Open. Select File to be opened. Open. Or press Alt-F. Press O. Select File to be opened, click Open. Step 3. Choose the Fill with Color tool. Click on the Fill with Color tool on the toolbar menu. Color Spongebob by using the Fill with Color tool. If you want to add more colors that are not on the color selection box, click on the Edit Colors button and choose a color. To add a custom color, select a color located at the right side of the window, then click the Add to Custom Colors button. Select the custom color from the Custom Colors selection box, click OK. Step 4. Save the file. When done with editing the picture/image, click on File, Save as. File name: Spongebob colored. Files of type: JPEG file. Interchange format: star.jpg, *JPEG. Click Save.